Good morning, everybody. Well, we just had some nasty rain. I'm coming up here to where my spring is. Well, there's the spring. Going down here. It's flowing across the road here pretty good. Not much coming out of the culvert. I think I'll have to, yeah. It looks like the end of the culvert's a little stocked up. I'll fix that here in a little while. Bring the tractor up here. But this is it's, just flowing directly off the mountain. It poured rain all night long. Almost all my snow is gone now. I got like one little tiny spot left, so yeah, happy spring. This goes down to the road that I live on and flows right across the road. Just figured I'd give you a little taste of Maine in the spring. Have a nice day, everyone.